In front of me is VIVO X200 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting one of your apps you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on the icon of it available at the top. Select small window. And as you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. If you want to use this app in full screen view, click on this icon at the top left corner. If you want to turn it into a bubble, click on this line, also at the top left corner. Then to access it again, click on the bubble. To close your window completely, click on X icon at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!